Hello there, my name is Shaq and welcome to this lesson on clutch control. If you're learning to drive a manual car, understanding the clutch is vital. So what does the clutch actually do? Well, in its simplest form, it connects and disconnects the engine from the wheels. When the clutch pedal is down, the engine is separated away from the wheels. However, as you raise the clutch pedal up, the engine connects to the wheels and makes them turn. So when you first start a car, you want to put the car into the first gear, press the accelerator about thickness of a pound coin, and then raise the clutch up to the biting point. Now, there are a few instructors out there who would advise you to come off the clutch pedal first, to let the car move and then press the accelerator. I would not agree with these instructors. The reason being is a lot of them who advise you to do that have diesel vehicles or have modern cars with the latest technology. Now, I've got a diesel vehicle here. So when I start the engine, you will notice the meter goes up to 1,000 revs. Because I've got the 1,000 revs going, it is possible in this vehicle for me to start off by simply raising the clutch. However, the problem with learning this method is that if I move to a different vehicle and I did the same thing, I would have a very high chance of stalling. So if your instructor is advising you to come off the clutch pedal first, it'll be okay for the driving test, but you will have problems after you've passed the driving test. You will find that you will continue stalling and stalling, etc. So I'm going to show you the correct way of starting. So firstly, you want to press the clutch pedal fully and completely down into the first gear, and then press the accelerator about thickness of a pound coin, and then come slowly off the clutch about the halfway mark until you get to the biting point. You will notice that you've got the biting point by the change in the sound of the engine. Also, at the same time, your front bonnet will raise up and the rear view mirror will dip down. That's the biting point, and then you simply release the handbrake and the car starts moving. When you're in slow moving traffic, we tend to control the speed of the vehicle using the clutch. So in order to move the car very, very slowly, once again we press the accelerator slightly and simply higher the clutch. We then lower the clutch and come off the accelerator to slow the vehicle down. If you want to stop the car completely, again, we'd come off the accelerator, lower the clutch pedal first, and then press the brake secondly. It's most important to remember that we only do this in slow moving traffic in first gear. If you're in any other gear, we must brake first. We must get the speed down first before you press the clutch pedal. I hope that's clarified some of the doubts that you may have using the clutch. If so, please remember to give us the thumbs up. If you're a subscriber to our channel, then let me say thank you. If you're not a subscriber, then now's the time to subscribe. Thank you for watching.